Yo guys, what's up? Here today we're at Crypto.com, DeFi wallet, and the new version of the wallet. Now, here is what I think is new. Alright, I went over to here to check out my CRO and the staking, and it looks different. So, yeah, you gotta click on the details. You can see a little bit more detail here, so that's kind of cool, I guess. Still, everything's the same functionality. You still claim the rewards the same way, claim and restake, and continue on, just like normal. So, looks like you can go look at the details. Pretty much everything is the same. Go look at the Explorer. All that is the same, same. So, hopefully some improved functionality. Maybe not. So, don't make the mistake I did here. Okay. Waiting too long to claim these rewards. You can see it's only worth now 71 cents. But if I look at the CRO, it's like, okay, how many CRO is that? It's 5.36. Wow, that seems like a lot. So I usually like to get about no more than 4. I guess when it was worth 50 cents or $1 a piece, it made more sense. But now that CRO is only worth 13 cents a piece, maybe not. Maybe I should rethink my strategy when I claim and restake. What do you guys do? How long do you wait? And I like to try to get that compound interest as much as I can. At least try to do it weekly. So, alright guys, I think that's the functionality update here for the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Be sure to subscribe and join the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.